Question 1. How does multiple linear regression differ from simple linear regression, and why is it important to consider multiple predictors? Answer. Simple linear regression. Definition. Simple linear regression models the relationship between a single independent variable, predictor, and a dependent variable outcome. Multiple linear regression. Definition. Multiple linear regression models the relationship between two or more independent variables and a dependent variable. Equation. The model represents this relationship with a straight line. Equation. The model includes multiple predictors, each contributing to the prediction of the dependent variable. Assumptions. Assumes a linear relationship between the single predictor and the outcome. Assumptions. Assumes a linear relationship between each predictor and the outcome while accounting for the simultaneous influence of all predictors. Application. Used when there is only one predictor variable that significantly explains the variance in the dependent variable. Application. Used when multiple predictors are believed to influence the outcome variable, providing a more comprehensive understanding of the relationships. Importance of considering multiple predictors. 1. Enhanced predictive power. Explanation. Including multiple predictors can improve the model's accuracy by capturing more of the variance in the dependent variable. This leads to better predictions compared to using a single predictor. To control for confounding variables. Explanation. Multiple regression allows for the control of confounding variables, which might distort the relationship between the main predictor and the outcome. By including these variables, the model can isolate the effect of each predictor. 3. Better understanding of relationships. Explanation. Considering multiple predictors provides insights into the relative importance and interaction effects among predictors. This helps in understanding how various factors together influence the outcome. 4. Realistic modeling of complex systems. Explanation. Many real-world phenomena are influenced by multiple factors. Multiple linear regression offers a realistic approach to modeling such complexity, making it applicable in diverse fields such as economics, healthcare, and social sciences. 5. Improved decision-making. Explanation. By accounting for multiple variables, decision-makers can gain a more holistic view of the factors affecting an outcome, leading to more informed and effective decisions. Multiple linear regression differs from simple linear regression by incorporating multiple predictors, which enhances the model's predictive power, controls for confounding variables, provides a better understanding of complex relationships, and leads to more informed decision-making. This makes multiple linear regression a crucial tool for analyzing and interpreting data in many scientific and practical applications. Question to discuss the assumptions underlying multiple linear regression and the potential consequences of violating these assumptions. Answer. Multiple linear regression relies on several key assumptions to ensure the validity and reliability of the model. Violating these assumptions can lead to inaccurate estimates, biased predictions, and incorrect inferences. Here are the main assumptions and the potential consequences of their violations. 1. Linearity assumption. The relationship between the dependent variable and each independent variable is linear. Violation consequences. If the relationship is not linear, the model may not accurately capture the underlying pattern, leading to biased estimates and poor predictions. Residual plots can reveal nonlinear patterns, indicating the need for transformations or nonlinear modeling. 2. Independence assumption. The observations are independent of each other. Violation consequences. Violations occur with correlated errors, such as in time series or clustered data, leading to underestimated standard errors and inflated type I error rates. This can result in false positives in hypothesis testing. Techniques like adding lag variables or using hierarchical models can address this. 3. Homoscedasticity assumption. The variance of the residuals is constant across all levels of the independent variables. Violation consequences, heteroscedasticity, where residual variance varies, can lead to inefficient estimates and biased standard errors. This affects the reliability of hypothesis tests. Plotting residuals against fitted values can detect this issue, and weighted least squares or robust standard errors can correct it. For normality, assumption, the residuals are normally distributed. Violation consequences, non-normal residuals can affect the validity of confidence intervals and hypothesis tests, particularly in small samples. This can be detected using QQ plots or statistical tests like the Shapiro-Wilk test. Transformations or bootstrapping can address non-normality. 5. Number multicollinearity, assumption, the independent variables are not perfectly collinear. Violation consequences, multicollinearity occurs when predictors are highly correlated, leading to inflated standard errors and unstable coefficient estimates. This complicates the interpretation of individual predictors. Detecting multicollinearity involves examining variance inflation factors, VIF. And remedies include removing or combining correlated predictors. Multiple linear regression assumes linearity, independence, homoscedasticity, normality, and no multicollinearity to produce valid and reliable results. Violating these assumptions can lead to biased estimates, inaccurate predictions, and unreliable hypothesis tests. Detecting and addressing these violations through diagnostic plots, transformations, robust techniques, and alternative modeling approaches is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the regression analysis. Ensuring these assumptions hold helps build a robust model that accurately reflects the relationships within the data.